Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the basic term couple and moment. Let's start. First of all, what is moment? Moment means the force multiplied by perpendicular distance. The moment of force is equal to the product of the force and the perpendicular distance of line of action of the force from which the moment is required. So according to the definition of the moment equal to force into perpendicular distance. Here the moment about point O equal to force multiplied by perpendicular distance d. So moment equal to F into d, where m is the moment, F is the force and d is the perpendicular distance. For clockwise moment with respect to reference point O, it is in clockwise direction, or we can say in the direction of clock, then it is considered as a clockwise moment. And if the direction of the moment it is in anti-clockwise direction, in opposite direction of the clock, it is called anti-clockwise moment. Generally, clockwise moment is taken as positive and anti-clockwise moment is taken as negative. And in example, if you are consider anti-clockwise moment as positive, then consider clockwise moment as negative. But generally, clockwise moment is taken as positive and anti-clockwise moment is taken as negative. Now we will discuss the examples of the moment. The first example, to tighten the nut by spanner. Okay, here we applied the force at perpendicular distance. The other example of the moment, to open or close the door. Here we applied the force on the handle which is perpendicular from the reference point O, or we can say hinge of the door. Now we will discuss about couple. What is couple? Two equal and opposite forces are acting some definite distance. It is called couple. Here you can see that here we are considering two forces F, okay, which magnitude is same but direction is opposite, and which is acting at some definite distance d. So couple means two equal and opposite forces whose line of action are different form a couple. Resultant or net force of couple is 0. Hence couple acting on a body do not create any translatory motion of the body, but couple produces only rotational motion of the body. It will produce the rotation. Same for we are considering sign for couple. If couple produces the rotation in clockwise direction, in the direction of clock, then it is called clockwise couple, and clockwise couple it is considered as a positive sign. Same as if the couple will produce the rotational motion in anti-clockwise direction, then it is called anti-clockwise couple and it is considered as a negative sign. Now what is arm of couple? The perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces forming a couple is known as the arm of the couple. Here you can see that, okay, two equal and opposite forces, okay, F we are considering, and the distance d we are considering, okay, which is the definite distance between two equal and opposite forces F. So moment of couple equal to force into arm of couple. Here arm of couple is, we are considering d, distance. So moment equal to force multiplied by distance. Here we are considering 2 force. Okay, out of this we are considering only 1, and the distance is d. Okay, so whenever we convert the couple into moment, so at that time, okay, to equal and opposite forces we are considering 1 force, and we are considering the distance which is perpendicular between the two forces. So moment equal to F into d. Unit of couple is Newton into meter and kilonewton into meter. Now we will discuss the different examples of the couple. The first example, forces applied to the key of a lock while locking or unlocking it. Okay, at that time here you can see that the two equal and opposite forces are acting. The other example we are considering, the forces applied on the steering wheel of a car by two hands to steer the car towards left or right. So whenever we take the turn, okay, by using the steering wheel, okay, so at that time by the hands we applied two equal and opposite forces by some definite distance. So it will also produce the couple. The third example we are considering, to open or close wheel valves of a water supply pipeline. Okay, it is also the example of the couple. Now we will discuss the different characteristics of the couple. The couple has the following characteristics. The first one, the algebraic sum of the forces forming the couple is 0. Its algebraic sum is 0. The second characteristic, the algebraic sum of the moment of the forces forming the couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of the couple itself. Okay, here we will prove that moment of couple equal to, we know that moment equal to force into distance. And here we are taking the moment about point O. So moment means we know that force into perpendicular distance. Here we are taking the moment about point O. Okay, this is point O. Okay, here we are taking moment. So here we are considering the moment of all forces. Okay, so the first force F, and its perpendicular distance is d plus x. Its direction is clockwise. With respect to point O, if we are taking the moment, and here you can see that the line of action of force, it is in clockwise direction with respect to point O, in direction of clock, so it is considered as a positive. The second force we are considering F, but it is in downward direction and its distance is x from the point O or origin O, and it will produce the moment in anti-clockwise direction. So here we are considering minus sign. So F into x. Okay, it is in anti-clockwise direction. So further we simplified this equation. So F into d plus F into x minus fx. So this is plus fx, this is minus fx, so it is cancelled out. So here we will prove that the algebraic sum of the moment of the forces forming the couple about any point is the same and is equal to the moment of the couple itself. So moment of couple equal to F into d. The third characteristic, a couple cannot be balanced by a single force but can be balanced only by a couple but in opposite nature. Okay, a couple cannot be balanced by a single force. We cannot balance the couple by single force, but we can balance it by couple, but it is in opposite direction or opposite nature. The last characteristic of couple, if number of coplanar couples are acting on the body, then they can be reduced to a single couple whose magnitude will be equal to the algebraic sum of moments of all the couples. So these all are the characteristic of the couple. So I hope this content it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical videos, then please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon for more video notification. Thank you friends.